Hello all and welcome to the first episode of the Prep Talk, our video series through which we intend to answer commonly asked questions about CAT preparation and guide CAT aspirants through this journey. Today I'm going to answer a commonly asked question: for how many hours should I study daily? Let me try to answer this question with the help of an analogy. Let's say there are two persons, let's call them Fodu and Chodu for the sake of some fun. Both of them want to reach Ahmedabad before a certain deadline. For how many hours should they drive daily? When I put this question this way, it obviously sounds incomplete at best because there are multiple variables one must know before one can possibly answer this question, even approximately. The biggest variable probably is their current station, where they are at present. So, for example, if Fodu is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, which is closer to Ahmedabad, and Chodu is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, obviously Chodu will have to drive much more every day than Fodu will have to. Therefore, though the goal is the same, the number of hours you need to put in pursuit of that goal is subjective. And it mostly depends upon your current station, which in the CAT context refers to your current level of skill, your current level of aptitude in each of the three sections: Quant, DLR, and VARC. So how to decide how many hours should I devote? Here is a little exercise that I propose, especially if you're starting your preparation now. This is the first step you should perform. Write a mock test, preferably a past year CAT paper. CAT 2017-18 paper should do. And on the basis of your percentile score on this paper, allocate number of hours that you want to devote to each of the three sections. Here's a table that can help you. If you score above 95 percentile in a particular section, all you need to devote is 7 to 10 hours a week. This is a weekly estimate, 7 to 10 hours a week, which approximates to 1 hour or 1.5 hours daily. That should suffice for most of you. By no means is it the maximum. It is the minimum number of hours. That should suffice. If you have more time, it is advisable that you devote more. But 7 to 10 hours should be sufficient for most of you. If you score between 90 and 95 in a particular section, ideal number of hours is 10 minimum, is 10 to 15. If you score between 80 and 90 in a section, 15 to 20 hours a week. But if you score less than 80 percentile in a particular section, this section is a weak area and you should devote at least 20 hours to that section, which means approximately 3 hours every day. That's the minimum amount of time you should devote, going forward. Guys, a past year CAT paper is available on our portal along with the score percentile data. So you can write this as the mock test for free. You just have to register on the portal and take this mock test. And on the basis of your score, identify where you stand in terms of percentile and use this table to chart out a plan for yourself for the next 4 months so that you can prepare better, so that your journey is better organized. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next episode of the Prep Talk, ciao and all the best for your preparation.